Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll start with exercise 14b from chapter Equation of a Line. So starting with question number 1. Find the slope of the line whose inclination is first part 0 degrees, second part 30 degrees, third part 72 degrees 30 minutes and fourth part 46 degrees. You are given the inclination, theta diya hai, and you have to find out the slope. So slope is tan theta. Okay, we know the formula. Slope, that is m, is equal to tan theta, where theta is the inclination angle. Okay, so different angles are given and we have to find out their respective slopes. So starting with the first part, theta is 0 degrees. Okay, theta is given. So slope is tan theta, that is tan 0. Tan 0 degrees is 0. Okay, so m is 0 in this case, that is slope is 0. So write down the slope is 0. Second part, 30 degrees inclination. So theta is 30 degrees. M is tan theta, that is m is tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 क्या है? Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Okay, so it will be 1 upon root 3. Normally we don't keep root in the denominator. Okay, we rationalize it. So इसको rationalize कर देंगे. Okay, so you can write it like this also, or better way is rationalize कर दो. ठीक है, so you multiply and divide by root 3. जो भी रूट में नंबर है उसी से मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड करना है. ओके, सो इट विल बी 1 into root 3, that is root 3, and root 3 into root 3 gives 3. So root निकल जाएगा from the denominator. So slope will be root 3 upon 3. So write down the statement after this. The slope is root 3 upon 3. Alright. Now moving on to the third part of the question. Next we have theta 72 degrees 30 minutes. So slope क्या हो जाएगा? Slope is tan theta. Okay, slope is denoted as m. M is tan theta. So it will be tan theta is 72 degrees 30 minutes. For first and second we were given standard values. Okay, so standard values तो पता ही है हम लोग को, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. These you are supposed to know, but this is a non-standard value. So यहाँ पे you have to refer to the table. Natural tangents का table refer करेंगे यहाँ पे. Okay, we are given tan 72 degrees 30 minutes. तो पहले 72 degrees देखते हैं. Okay, so in natural tangents check for 72 degrees. All right, so 72 degrees and 30 minutes. So 30 minutes तो यहाँ पे होगा ही. Okay, so 6 का टेबल होता है, so 30 is divisible by 6, तो 30 minutes easily मिल जाएगा. Okay, 72 degrees and move towards 30 minutes. Okay, so 72 degrees and 30 minutes. Now check यहाँ पे 3.0777 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, 0 मिनट्स पे इतना है 3.0777. नाउ दिस इज चेंजिंग, डेसिमल पार्ट चेंज हो रहा है. ठीक है, एज यू गो फॉरवर्ड डेसिमल पार्ट इंक्रीज होते जा रहा है. ऑलराइट, सो 3 पॉइंट इज कांस्टेंट बट डेसिमल वैल्यू चेंज हो रहा है. सो 3.1716 मिलेगा. ओके, so 3.1716 is the answer. So tan 72 degrees 30 minutes will be 3.1716. I'll repeat. 72 degrees देखो in natural tangents का table and 30 minutes. Okay, so go like this. With the help of a scale you can do this. Scale रख के देखो. Okay, so that you don't make any mistake. यहाँ से देखो 30 minutes check करो. Okay, so 72 degrees 30 minutes पे we are getting 1716, but 1716 is not the answer. 3.077 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, 3.0777. So 3 point तो रहेगा ही, बट ओनली डेसिमल वैल्यू इज चेंजिंग. ओके, सो दे हैव पुट ओनली डेसिमल वैल्यूज. तो ये डेसिमल वाला पार्ट है, उसके आगे 3 है. ओके, सो द आंसर इज 3.1716. ऑलराइट, सो m इज 3.1716. बॉक्स कर दो, राइट द आंसर. द स्लोप इज 3.1716. Now 46 degrees, again this is the non-standard value, so you have to refer to the table. Natural tangents के table में 46 degrees देखो. Now 46 degrees के बाद कुछ भी minutes नहीं है. So when there are no minutes written after the degrees, what will you do? You will refer to 0 minutes. Okay, यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है, मतलब 0 minutes है. So 46 degrees 0 minutes. Okay, so you don't need to write 0 minutes, जरूरत नहीं है. 46 degrees 0 minutes जो वैल्यू मिलेगा, दिस इज द आंसर. ओके, सो यहाँ पे मीन डिफरेंस रेफर करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. इट इज नॉट दैट टफ. ऑल राइट, सो m, that is slope, is tan theta, that is m is equal to tan 46. So m is tan 46 is 1.0355. बॉक्स कर दो, राइट डाउन द स्लोप is 1.0355. Okay, next question, question number 2. Find the inclination of the line whose slope is first part 0, second part √3, third part 0.7646 and fourth part 1.0875. You are given different slopes. M दिया है and you have to find out inclination, that is theta. So which formula you will use? m equals to tan theta. m दिया है and theta find out करना है. So let's see how we'll solve. So first one is 0. So m 0 है, theta find out करना है. So what is the formula? m equals to tan theta, right? Now m is 0, so in place of m I'll put 0 equals to tan theta. So I have tan theta equal to 0. When is tan theta 0? If you remember the standard value table, recall karo standard value table. When theta is 0 degrees, you will get tan theta 0. Okay, so you are supposed to know standard value table, students. Please memorize it. Okay, so tan 0 is 0. Okay, we know that tan 0 degrees is 0. Okay, so I can say tan theta is equal to tan 0 degrees, right? Because tan theta is 0 and we know that tan 0 degrees is 0. So RHS same है, so I can say LHS भी same है. Okay, so tan theta is equal to tan 0 degrees. Please don't cancel. Tan cancel मत करो, that is wrong, mathematically wrong. Okay, so please don't cancel tan and say theta is equal to 0 degrees. That is totally wrong. Tan theta is equal to tan 0 degrees, it means theta is 0 degrees. Okay, so therefore theta is equal to 0 degrees. After this, just write this down, but don't cancel tan. You cannot do that. Okay, so theta is 0 degrees over here. Okay, so we found the inclination. Write down the final statement. The inclination of the line is 0 degrees. Okay, second part is also easy. Standard value ही use किया है. Okay, so m is √3. We know that m is equal to tan theta. m is √3, so √3 is equal to tan theta. Again standard value table, recall करो. When is tan theta √3? Tan 60 is √3. Okay, so you are supposed to know for standard value 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. You should know. Okay, so tan 60 is √3. So write down, but tan 60 degrees is √3. RHS सेम है, सो आई कैन से LHS सेम है, सो देयरफॉर tan theta is equal to tan 60 degrees. Don't cancel out tan, please don't do that. So theta is equal to 60 degrees. So inclination मिल गया. Okay, so write down therefore the inclination of the line is 60 degrees. For third and fourth part we are not given standard values. Okay, standard values you are supposed to know. It is 0, 1 by root 3, then 1, then root 3, and then undefined. So these are the standard values of tan. You are supposed to know this. इसमें से कुछ भी नहीं है for third part and fourth part. So we have to refer to the table. Okay, natural tangents table. In natural tangents table, you need to find out 0.7646. So open करो table. Now you start with 0 degrees. Okay, 0 degrees 0 minutes का कॉलम पहले चेक करो, ऐसे वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड्स जाओ. सो 0 डिग्रीज पे 0 समथिंग समथिंग होगा, 0.0 ही होगा. ओके, फॉर 0 मिनट्स. 1 degrees you will get 0.17 something. Okay, then as you move downwards 2 degrees you will get 0.34 something something. Okay, so 0.0, 0.1, 0.3 you need to reach up to 0.7. 0.7 से कुछ क्लोज आ रहा है क्या? As you go down 36 degrees पे you are getting 0.7265. Okay, now और नीचे देखते हैं 0.7536 and after that we have 0.7813. So 78 तो ज़्यादा हो गया. Okay, we need to check for 0.7646. So 0.75 से क्लोज है 0.7646. So 37 डिग्रीज पे स्टॉप करो. ओके, 37 डिग्रीज एंड मिनट्स का कॉलम अब चेक करेंगे. ओके, ये 0 मिनट्स देख रहे थे हम लोग. नाउ मूव हॉरिजॉन्टली. ओके, द वैल्यू विल कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग. फॉर 37 degrees and 24 minutes you will get 0.7646. 7646 ही लिखा है but 0 point है, so 0 point is common throughout. Okay, so it will be 0.7646. Okay, so for what theta? For 37 degrees and 24 minutes. Okay, so now we will solve. For 37 degrees and 24 minutes we are getting this. So you will do step by step. M is equal to tan theta. Okay, so 0.7646 is equal to tan theta. That is tan theta is equal to 0.7646. Now tan 37 degrees and 24 minutes, right? 24 minutes and 37 degrees पे we are getting 7646. So it is equal to 0.7646. So it means tan theta is equal to tan 37 degrees 24 minutes. So theta is equal to 37 degrees 24 minutes. After this, just write down the statement. The inclination of the line is 37 degrees 24 minutes. Okay, and don't forget to box the value of theta. Same way we will solve the next one. M का वैल्यू क्या है? 1.0875. So same steps follow करेंगे. So M is equal to tan theta. So 1.0875 M की जगह पे ये लिख दिया is equal to tan theta. Just switch the sides. Tan theta is equal to 1.0875. Now tan of which angle is equal to 1.0875? Let's see. Same way हम लोग चेक करेंगे. Natural tangents का टेबल रेफर करो. 0 से स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, यहाँ पे 38 पे ही 0.78 था. व्हाट डू वी नीड? वी नीड 1.0875. सो कीप लुकिंग. 1 आना चाहिए. ओके, 0 पॉइंट नहीं आना चाहिए, 1 पॉइंट समथिंग. सो 46 पे यू आर गेटिंग 1.0355. ओके, सो 46 डिग्रीज 0 मिनट्स पे ही पहले चेक करो हॉरिजॉन्टली. ओके, 1.0355 स्टिल नॉट क्लोज टू 1.08. नेक्स्ट 47 डिग्रीज पे 1.0724 मिल रहा है. ओके, क्वाइट क्लोज टू 1.0875. नेक्स्ट वाला चेक करो 1.11 बढ़ रहा है, ज़्यादा हो रहा है. सो प्रीवियस पे ही स्टॉप करेंगे, यहाँ पे ही स्टॉप करेंगे. इन दिस लाइन वील चेक. अब हॉरिजॉन्टली जाओ. ओके, 1.0724 मूव फॉरवर्ड and here you will get 0875. For which column? Check karo. For 24 minutes. So 47 degrees and 24 minutes. So for 47 degrees 24 minutes you are getting 1.0875. Only 0875 लिखा है, but 1 point is common throughout. ठीक है? So 1.0875. So tan of 47 degrees 24 minutes is 1.0875. So therefore tan theta is equal to tan 47 degrees 24 minutes. So therefore theta is equal to 47 degrees 24 minutes. Box this and write down the final statement. Okay. Let's solve the next question. Question number 3. Find the slope of the line passing through the following pairs of points. First part -2, -3 and 1, 2. There are 2 more parts. Same way solve करना है. So for first part we are given the coordinates of the 2 points. Okay, when you are given the coordinates of the 2 points and you have to find out the slope, what formula you will use? Slope, that is m, is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, where x1 and y1 are the coordinates of the first point and x2 and y2 are the coordinates of the second point. Or you can use the other formula, that is same way है, just y1 पहले आएगा and then y2 and then x1 minus x2. Okay, so you will use this formula to find the slope of the line passing through the points. So you are told that the line is passing through these 2 points. मतलब एक point है, let's say A and another point B, इसके through line pass हो रहा है, उसका slope find out करना है. So if you are finding slope of AB, जो भी slope of AB होगा वही पूरे line का slope होगा. Okay, same slope होता है. So यहाँ से यहाँ मैंने फाइंड आउट किया तो जो स्लोप मिलेगा वही यहाँ से यहाँ का स्लोप होगा, वही यहाँ से यहाँ का स्लोप होगा. सो स्लोप ऑफ द लाइन इज गोइंग टू रिमेन द सेम. ओके, कोई भी पार्ट ऑफ लाइन कंसिडर करो, इट इज गोइंग टू रिमेन द सेम थ्रू आउट. ओके, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ द लाइन पासिंग थ्रू दीज 2 पॉइंट्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग. लेट्स नेम द 2 पॉइंट्स. A -2, -3, B is 1, 2. Now we'll use the formula. Okay, so y coordinate से start करेंगे. Y comes in numerator and x in denominator. That you have to remember. So y coordinate यहाँ पे है, ये x coordinates है. Okay, so 2 -3 हो जाएगा. Okay, so slope, that is write down slope of AB will be 2 -3. So you have to put the sign also. Okay, 2 is y2 and 3 is y1. So 2 -3 upon x1. Okay, जहां से y स्टार्ट किया है वहीं से x स्टार्ट करो, वही पॉइंट का x कोऑर्डिनेट कंसिडर करो. सो 2 कंसिडर किया था पहले, सो अब 1 कंसिडर करेंगे. 1 -2. Okay, don't forget to put brackets. You might make mistake over here, so don't forget this part. Minus minus plus हो जाएगा, so 2 + 3 and denominator में भी 1 + 2, so that gives 5/3. So slope of AB is 5/3. Box it. So what is the slope of the line passing through A and B? It is 5/3. So write down the slope of the line passing through -2, -3 and 1, 2 is 5/3. Okay, same way we'll solve the remaining 2 parts. Okay, वैसे ही solve करना है. Now what if you consider y2 की जगह y1 फर्स्ट. ये पहले y कंसिडर किया, तो इज इट गोइंग टू मेक एनी डिफरेंस? नो. सो इफ यू कंसिडर -3 फर्स्ट, सो स्लोप ऑफ ए बी क्या हो जाएगा? इट विल बी -3 -2. ओके, y कोऑर्डिनेट्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, सो -3 -2 एंड जहां से -3 कंसिडर किया उसका ही x कोऑर्डिनेट कंसिडर करो. सो -2 -1. सो दोनों नेगेटिव है, सो ऐड करते हैं. 3 + 2 gives 5 एंड पुट नेगेटिव साइन. दोनों नेगेटिव है, सो पुट नेगेटिव साइन एंड ऐड देम. यू आर अगेन गेटिंग 5/3. राइट. सो ये मेथड से सॉल्व करो या ऐसे सॉल्व करो, इट इज गोइंग टू बी सेम. डज नॉट मैटर इफ यू कंसिडर y कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ अदर पॉइंट फर्स्ट, इट डज नॉट मैटर. ओके. सो नाउ वील मूव ऑन टू द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. The coordinates for the second part of the question. The first coordinate is -4, 0 and origin. Origin is 0, 0, the point where x and y axis meet. That is origin 0, 0. Okay. So second point का coordinates है 0, 0. Now we'll name the 2 points. So let's consider this as A. -4, 0 is A. एंड ओरिजिन है तो O नेम कर देते हैं. ओके. सो O is 0, 0 origin. We have to find the slope of the line passing through these 2 points. So slope of AO will be y coordinates पहले subtract करते हैं in numerator and then in denominator x coordinates. So I am going to start from the second. Okay. Second point का coordinates I am going to start with. So y coordinate पहले 0 -0. Okay. So it will be 0 -0 and जहाँ से मैंने y कंसिडर किया था वहीं से x. So 0 -4. So माइनस तो है ही एंड 4 के साथ भी माइनस है. So it is 0 - 0 is 0 and 0 - +4. 0/4. 0 divided by 4, that is you are dividing 0 by 4. 4 into 0 will only give me 0. Okay. So it is going to be 0. Okay. So slope of AO is 0. Box this. After this, write down the statement. The slope of the line passing through -4, 0 and origin is 0. Okay. Don't forget to write down the final statement. Now we'll move on to the third part of the question. So here the coordinates are a, -b and b, -a. Let's name the 2 points. A is a, -b and b is b, -a. We have to find slope of AB. So it will be y coordinates का subtraction. Okay. So I'm going to start from B. You can start from A also. It's up to you. Okay. So -a minus of -b, -a minus -b, y2 minus y1. Okay. सो y2 का जो भी साइन है वो भी पुट करना है और y1 का भी साइन पुट करना है. यहाँ पे y2 की जगह पे -a है, y1 की जगह पे -b है. नाउ x कोऑर्डिनेट्स का सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो जहां से मैंने y कंसिडर किया था वहीं से x कंसिडर करना है. सो b - a. ओके. सो इट विल बी -a माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा +b/b -a. सो -a + b इज नथिंग बट b - a है ना. -3 + 4 इज नथिंग बट 4 - 3. राइट. सो आई हैव जस्ट रीरिटन दिस. रीराइट करके लिख दिया है अपॉन b - a. सो b - a अपॉन b - a आई कैन कैंसिल द एंटायर थिंग. मैं b a कैंसिल नहीं कर सकती हूँ. दिस होल ब्रैकेट गेट्स कैंसल्ड. ओके. आई कैन नॉट कैंसिल b a, दैट इज रॉन्ग. ओके. सो b - a upon b - a gets cancelled. The entire thing gets cancelled. So 1 remains. Okay. So slope of AB is 1. You'll write down the final statement. The slope of the line passing through a, -b and b, -a is 1. Okay. So don't forget the final statement. Now not necessary that you have to use this method only. You can consider y coordinate of this first. Okay. So पहले -b आएगा, -b -a हो जाएगा and denominator में you will get a minus b. Okay. So you will still get the same answer. Moving on to next question, question number 4. Find the slope of the line parallel to AB if first part A is minus 2 comma 4 and B is 0 comma 6. Second part A is 0 comma minus 3 and B is minus 2 comma 5. A and B दिया है, okay, and we have to find the slope of the line parallel to AB. A and B है 2 points है, okay. Join the two. AB का slope I can easily find out because I know the coordinates of A and B. Okay, so I just have to use the formula for the slope, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, right? So A and B का coordinates पता है, so to find the slope of AB it's easy, right? I can easily find out. Now we have to find the slope of the line which is parallel to AB. There is another line which is parallel to AB. Now we know that when two lines are parallel, their slopes are same. Okay, slope same होगा दोनों का. Alright. So whatever is the slope of AB, same will be the slope of line parallel to it. If there is one more line parallel to it, उसका भी slope same होगा. Okay. So whenever the lines are parallel, their slopes will be same. Alright. So जो भी AB का slope मिलेगा, the slope of the line parallel to it will be same as that. Okay. So let's find the slope of AB first. First write down the coordinates of the 2 points. So A का coordinates and B का coordinates is given to us. So what will be the slope of AB? It will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, right? Or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. So I'll consider the second point first, okay? Second point का y coordinate consider करो. So 6 minus y coordinate of A, that is 4. So 6 minus 4 upon x coordinate, because जिसका y consider किया है उसका ही x consider करेंगे. So 0 minus minus 2 है. So put brackets minus 2. Okay, you have to put the sign along. Okay. So 6 minus 4 is 2 upon 0 minus minus हो जाएगा plus 2. So that gives 2 upon 2. So it's 1. So slope of AB is 1. Alright. Box this. What will be the slope of the line parallel to AB? It will be 1 only because parallel है. So parallel होगा तो slope same होगा. So write down the statement after this. The slope of the line parallel to AB is 1. Same way we'll solve the second sum. Okay. So let's consider the second part. Coordinates लिखते हैं. A is 0 comma minus 3 and B is minus 2 comma 5. So slope of AB. First we'll consider y coordinates. Okay. So 5 minus minus 3 हो जाएगा. So 5 minus minus 3. You have to put the sign along with it. And now the x coordinate. So minus 2 minus 0. So 5 minus minus हो जाएगा plus 3 and minus 2 minus 0 gives minus 2. 5 plus 3 8 upon minus 2. So it will give 4 upon minus 1, that is nothing but minus 4. Okay. So slope of AB is minus 4. Box this. So what will be the slope of the line parallel to AB? Write down the statement. The slope of the line parallel to AB is minus 4. Let's read the next question. Question number 5. Find the slope of the line perpendicular to AB if first part A is 0 comma minus 5 and B is minus 2 comma 4. Second part A is 3 comma minus 2 and B is minus 1 comma 2. A and B का coordinates are given to us. So when you know the coordinates of the 2 points, you can easily find out the slope. है ना? Slope easily find out कर सकते हैं. So slope of AB, I'll easily get using the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. I'll easily get the slope. our aim is to find out the slope of the line perpendicular to AB. AB है, okay, some line and AB से perpendicular दूसरा line है. So इसका slope क्या होगा वो find out करना है. Okay, so AB कैसे भी हो सकता है, ऐसे भी हो सकता है. So there is some other line perpendicular to it. Okay, perpendicular होना चाहिए. सो AB का स्लोप पता है तो दूसरा लाइन का स्लोप हम लोग इजिली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. देयर इज अ फॉर्मूला फॉर दैट. ओके, सो वॉट एवर स्लोप यू आर गेटिंग ऑफ AB, व्हाट विल बी द स्लोप ऑफ लाइन विच इज परपेंडिकुलर टू AB? व्हाट विल इट बी? रेसिप्रोकल कर दो. ओके, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ वॉट एवर स्लोप यू आर गेटिंग ऑफ AB. सो 1 upon whatever is the slope and negative. So it will be negative reciprocal. That is how you have to remember. ठीक है? So negative reciprocal of the slope. Whenever you are told that two lines are perpendicular and you know slope of one line, दूसरा line का slope क्या हो जाएगा? It will be negative reciprocal. Negative sign and reciprocal of whatever is the slope of the other line. ठीक है? अगर इसका slope 5 है तो दूसरे लाइन जो perpendicular है AB से उसका slope क्या हो जाएगा? Negative 1 upon 5. Okay. If इसका slope है 1 upon 5, then it will be minus reciprocal of 1 upon 5, है ना? So reciprocal, that is 1 upon जो भी slope है AB का. Okay. So 1 upon 1 upon 5 हो जाएगा. So that is nothing but it will be minus 1 divided by 1 upon 5. That is minus 1 into 5 upon 1, है ना? Basically 5 goes in the numerator. Denominator में denominator होता है तो it goes in the numerator. Okay? So 5 will go in the numerator. So it will be minus 5. Minus 1 into 5 gives minus 5 upon 1. Okay? So you will get minus 5. Alright? So negative reciprocal हो जाएगा whenever you're told the lines are perpendicular. Okay? So for first part, A is 0, minus 5 and B is minus 2, 4. Slope of AB find out करेंगे first. Slope of AB is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. Okay? So y coordinates पहले consider करेंगे, subtract करेंगे. So y2 minus y1. So 4 minus 5 upon x2 minus x1. So minus 2 minus 0. So that will give 4 plus 5 minus plus हो जाएगा. Minus 2 minus 0 is nothing but minus 2. So 9 upon minus 2. We never keep negative sign in the denominator. So bring it in numerator. Okay. Slope of AB is minus 9 by 2. We have to find the slope of line perpendicular to AB. So, slope of line perpendicular to AB will be negative reciprocal of slope of AB. Okay, so minus 1 upon जो भी slope है वो. Alright, so it will be minus 1 upon slope of AB is minus 9 by 2. Okay, so this is nothing but minus 1 divided by minus 9 by 2. So this gives minus 1 into, डिविजन को इंटू कर देंगे, सो रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. सो 2 अपॉन माइनस 9. ओके, सो माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. ओके, ये डिनोमिनेटर का माइनस न्यूमरेटर में लेके जाएंगे, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. सो वील गेट 1 into 2 is 2 upon 9. Okay, so we are getting 2 upon 9. Write down the final statement. Slope of line perpendicular to AB is 2 upon 9. Okay, and don't forget to box this. Let's see the coordinates for the second part. A is 3, minus 2 and B is minus 1, 2. We can easily find out the slope of AB. So let's find that first. Slope of AB क्या हो जाएगा, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 और y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. So y coordinates पहले subtract करेंगे. So 2 minus minus 2 upon minus 1 minus 3. Minus minus plus हो जाएगा, so 2 plus 2 and here both the numbers are negative with negative sign है ना, so we add them and put a negative sign, so minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 हो जाएगा. Okay, 4 upon minus 4, so that gives minus 1, right? You will get 1 upon minus 1 which is minus 1. We never keep negative sign in denominator, we bring it in numerator. ठीक है, so ये numerator में जाएगा, so minus 1 upon 1 is nothing but minus 1. So slope of AB is minus 1. Now we need to find the slope of the line which is perpendicular to AB. So negative reciprocal हो जाएगा. Okay, so slope of line perpendicular to AB is negative reciprocal of slope of AB. Okay, minus 1 upon जो भी slope है, so minus 1 upon slope of AB is minus 1. So minus into minus plus हो जाएगा, plus 1 upon 1 is nothing but plus 1. Okay, so you don't need to put plus, alright, it's 1. So box this and write on the final statement. The slope of the line perpendicular to AB is 1. Question number 6. The line passing through 0, 2 and minus 3, minus 1 is parallel to the line passing through minus 1, 5 and 4, A. Find A. There are two lines which are parallel. There is a line passing through some 2 points and another line passing through some other 2 points. They are parallel to each other. Parallel बोला है. Okay, so there are two parallel lines. This part is clear. Okay, जो एक line है, it is passing through these 2 points. So let's name the 2 points as A and B. ठीक है, A है and B है. A का coordinates है 0, 2 and B का coordinates है -3, -1. ठीक है, so one line passing through these 2 points and it is parallel to the line passing through -1, 5 and 4, A. So let's name these 2 points also. ये C हो जाएगा, ये D हो जाएगा. Okay, so -1, 5 that is C and another point D that is 4, A. So I'll repeat, there is a line passing through these 2 points A and B, okay, which is parallel to the line passing through C and D. ये दोनों lines parallel है, so what can you say? The slopes will be same, है ना? दोनों lines का slope same होगा. So whatever slope you are getting for AB, slope of AB जो भी मिलेगा, it will be same as slope of CD. Okay, so this will help you in finding A. A find out करना है. ठीक है, so this coordinate we don't know, y coordinate of D we don't know, you will easily get by using this. Okay, so now let's solve properly. So let A be 0, 2 and B be -3, -1. First we'll find out the slope of AB. Okay, so slope of AB will be, y coordinate subtract करेंगे पहले, so -1 -2 upon x coordinate -3 -0. Okay, दोनों नेगेटिव है, so we are going to add and put the negative sign. यहां पे भी सेम थिंग हो जाएगा, -3 हो जाएगा. Okay, so -3 upon -3 is nothing but 1. Okay, so slope of AB is 1. स्लोप ऑफ AB मिल गया. नाउ वील फाइंड स्लोप ऑफ CD, दैट इज अदर 2 पॉइंट्स जिसके थ्रू लाइन पास कर रहा है, उसका स्लोप क्या है. सो अगेन वील कंसिडर, let C be -1, 5 and D be 4, A. We are naming the points, so you have to write down this statement. ठीक है, एक बार ये हो गया, फिर इसका स्टेटमेंट लिख दो, और इन द बिगनिंग इटसेल्फ यू कैन ऐड. ठीक है, A, B is this, C and then D. Okay, so you can write all at once also. I have written it separately. Slope of CD क्या होगा? Slope of CD. Again y coordinates पहले subtract करेंगे. So A -5 upon 4 -1 है. So don't forget to put the sign along. ठीक है, A -5 upon minus plus हो जाएगा. So 4 plus 1 हो जाएगा. That is A -5 upon 5. Okay. So this is slope of CD. Now we know that the two lines are parallel. AB is parallel to CD. So the slopes will be same. Slope of AB will be equal to slope of CD. So now let's proceed. We are told that the line passing through AB is parallel to line passing through CD. So this means that AB is parallel to CD. है ना? AB is parallel to CD. This is given to us. Now since the two lines are parallel, I can say the slopes are also equal. Okay, so slope of AB is equal to slope of CD. Slope of AB क्या है? 1 है. Slope of CD A -5 upon 5. Shifting 5 on the other side, 1 into 5 gives 5 is equal to A -5. Shifting 5 प्लस हो जाएगा. So 10 is equal to A. Just switch the sides. A is equal to 10. Okay. Write down the final statement. The value of A is 10. Let's read the next question. Question number 7. The line passing through -4, -2 and 2, -3 is perpendicular to the line passing through A, 5 and 2, -1. Find A. Again, this is a very easy question. Previous question में 2 lines were parallel. यहाँ पे 2 lines are perpendicular. There are 2 lines which are perpendicular to each other. So एक line है and दूसरा line है. They are perpendicular. Okay. So this part is easy. Understanding this part is easy. Now we'll see into the details. The line passing through -4, -2 and 2, -3. 2 points है जिसका coordinates दिया है. Let's name the 2 points as A and B. Okay. So कोई भी एक लाइन है जो पास हो रहा है through A and B. So let's consider this line passing through A and B. A है, B है. A का coordinates -4, -2 and B का coordinates है 2, -3. So there is one line which is passing through A and B. Okay. And this line is perpendicular to the other line. Other line which is passing through A, 5 and 2, -1. So let's name this as C and this as D. So other line is passing through C, D. C है A, 5 and D है 2, -1. We need to find A. A find out करना है. Very easy. We just need to relate the slopes. When 2 lines are perpendicular to each other, how are the slopes related? Slopes are negative reciprocal of each other. Negative reciprocal है. So slope of AB का जो slope मिलेगा, it will be negative reciprocal of slope of CD. Okay. So slope of AB is -1 by slope of CD. Or in other words, slope of CD is -1 upon slope of AB. Okay, सिर्फ switch करना है. That's it. So you can solve any which way. ठीक है, यहां से या फिर जो previous वाला है, slope of AB is -1 upon slope of CD. So both are one and the same only actually. Now ये रिलेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है टू फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ ए। स्लोप ऑफ ए बी स्लोप ऑफ सी डी इजिली मिल जाएगा। यू आर गिवन द कोऑर्डिनेट्स, ओके, कोऑर्डिनेट्स दिया है। सो यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 you can easily find out the slope. Okay, so first thing that we'll do is find the slope of AB and CD. AB and CD का slope find out करो, then use this formula. Okay, so now let us solve. First I'm considering the first line. So first line जो pass हो रहा है that is through A and P. So let's name the coordinates. It is not named over here. So you have to write down the statement. Let A be minus 4 comma minus 2 and B be 2 comma minus 3. First we find out the slope of AB. Okay, so slope of AB क्या हो जाएगा? Slope of AB, y coordinates पहले subtract करेंगे numerator and then the x coordinates. So I consider B का y coordinate first. So minus 3 minus y coordinate of A, that is minus 2. So minus 2. Okay. Then x coordinate of B. So 2 minus x coordinate of A, that is minus 4. So minus 3 minus minus हो जाएगा plus 2 upon 2, minus minus हो जाएगा plus 4. Minus 3 plus 2 gives minus 1 and 2 plus 4 gives 6. So we are getting minus 1 upon 6 slope of AB. This is the slope of AB. Okay. Now we need to find out the slope of CD. Same way. ठीक है, same method है. So write down the coordinates of C and D first. So let C be a comma 5 and D be 2 comma minus 1. So slope of CD minus 1 minus 5 and then x coordinate 2 minus a. So that will give, दोनों नेगेटिव है, so add करो 6 and put negative sign upon 2 minus a. Okay. So this is what we are getting. Slope of CD is this. We found the slope of AB and CD. Now we'll relate. Okay, negative reciprocal. So slope of AB is equal to minus 1 upon slope of CD, or slope of CD is equal to minus 1 upon slope of AB. Any way you can consider. ठीक है? So slope of AB is equal to minus 1 upon slope of CD. For this you have to give reason. AB is perpendicular to CD. Okay. So before this you will write down AB is perpendicular to CD. Therefore this relation. Okay. If it is not perpendicular you cannot use this. They are not related. They are not negative reciprocal of each other. Okay. Slope of AB है minus 1 upon 6. minus 1 upon slope of CD है minus 6 upon 2 minus a. Okay, put brackets. So minus 1 upon 6 is equal to minus 1 divided by the entire thing. Okay, now we turn this division into multiplication, तो reciprocal हो जाएगा. ठीक है, minus 1 upon 6 is equal to minus 1 into 2 minus a upon minus 6. Reciprocal हो गया. Okay. Now minus 1 upon 6 is equal to minus, सारा साइंस यहाँ पे चेंज हो जाएगा. Okay, ब्रैकेट्स है, minus 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, so minus 1 into 2 will give minus 2 and minus 1 into minus a will give plus a. You have to be careful, students. If you don't multiply the negative sign with both the terms, then your answer is going wrong. Okay? So this is the reason you put brackets. It's better to put brackets. So minus 2 plus a हो जाएगा upon minus 6. Okay? Let's shift 6 on the other side. Minus 6 ही shift कर देते हैं. Okay? Minus 1 upon 6 into minus 6. It will go in numerator. Is equal to minus 2 plus a. 6 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, -1 इंटू -1 क्या हो जाएगा? +1. ओके, सो +1 इज इक्वल टू -2 प्लस a. So we are getting 1 is equal to -2 plus a. Right, यहाँ पे 1 हो गया, is equal to -2 plus a. Let's shift 2 on the other side. So 1 plus 2 is equal to a. 3 is equal to a, that is a is equal to 3, switching the sides. Box this and write on the final statement the value of a is 3. Moving on to next question, question number 8. Without using the distance formula, show that the points a 4, -2, b -4, 4 and c 10, 6 are the vertices of a right angle triangle. We cannot use distance formula. If you use distance formula, you can easily find out the length of the sides AB, BC, AC, and then using Pythagoras theorem you can prove that this is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. So how will we prove? Right angle triangle कंसिडर करते, ओके, लेट अस ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कैसे सॉल्व करना है. राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में एक राइट एंगल होगा, 90 डिग्री होगा, है ना. नाउ वी नीड टू प्रूव दैट ए, बी एंड सी आर द वर्टाइसेस ऑफ अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. ओके, सो प्रूव करना है कि दिस इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. कैसे प्रूव करेंगे राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है? कैसे प्रूव करेंगे right angle triangle? By proving that there is a right angle, है ना, 90 degrees है. So we need to prove that there is a right angle that is 90 degrees होना चाहिए, perpendicular होना चाहिए. Okay, perpendicular होना चाहिए in other words. Now we know two sides will be perpendicular to each other. Now which sides will be perpendicular? Do we know? No, we don't know. It can be AB perpendicular to BC. It can be AC perpendicular to BC. Okay, anyway, we don't know. So we don't know कि ये A, B, C ऐसे है, या फिर it can be A, B, C like this also. Okay, or it can be B, A, C like this also. We don't know. So how will we find out? To prove that there is a 90 degree right angle है, we know that the two sides have to be perpendicular to each other. 90 degree मतलब perpendicular होना चाहिए. और perpendicular prove करने के लिए there is one relation in equation of a line. Slope of the one line should be negative reciprocal of the other slope, है ना. अगर perpendicular होगा then slope of one side will be negative reciprocal of the slope of the other side. Okay, so कौन सा sides है हम लोग को नहीं पता है, so we have to find out the slope of every side. जितना भी possible sides है सबका find करना है. So 3 possible sides है ना, triangle है, 3 sides है, A, B, B, C, A, C, तीनों का slopes find out करेंगे. Okay, so we'll find out the slope of all the 3 sides of the triangle and then we'll see which two are related. कौन सा दो related है वो find out करेंगे. Okay, so to prove that there is a right angle that is perpendicular, you need the relation slope of one side is negative reciprocal of slope of other side. Okay, ये रिलेशन यूज करना है एंड ये यूज करने के लिए यू नीड द स्लोप ऑफ द साइड्स. सो स्लोप फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. सो स्लोप ऑफ ऑल द 3 साइड्स वील फाइंड ए बी बी सी ए सी. ओके, एंड देन वील सी विच टू आर रिलेटेड. सो नाउ वील सॉल्व प्रॉपरली. ऑलराइट, फर्स्ट वील राइट डाउन द गिवन इन्फॉर्मेशन. ए इज 4, -2, b is -4, 4 and c is 10, 6. ओके, ए बी बी सी ए सी तीनों का स्लोप फाइंड आउट करना है. सो फर्स्ट वील फाइंड स्लोप ऑफ ए बी. सो वील कंसिडर द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ ए एंड बी. ओके, वी नो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द स्लोप इफ यू आर गिवन द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द 2 points. सो स्लोप ऑफ ए बी, first we'll consider y coordinates. Okay, 4 minus minus 2, or you can solve the other way around also, minus 2 minus 4, then denominator में भी x पहले यहाँ से आएगा, a से आएगा, ठीक है. So 4 minus minus 4, all right. So I have taken 4 minus minus 2, so x यहाँ से कंसिडर करेंगे पहले, जहाँ से y कंसिडर किया है वहीं से x कंसिडर करेंगे. So minus 4 minus 4, माइनस माइनस हो जाएगा प्लस, सो 4 plus 2 अपॉन माइनस 4 ऐड करेंगे 8, ओके, बोथ आर नेगेटिव, सो नेगेटिव साइन. 6 अपॉन माइनस 8, 2 3s are 2 4s are, and we never keep negative sign in denominator, minus sign denominator में नहीं रखते, we'll shift it in the numerator. Minus 3 upon 4, this is the slope of AB. Similarly we'll find slope of BC. So slope of BC, I'll write down the slope of AC over here. AC is AB is minus 3 upon 4, okay. BC will be B and C का coordinates, so 6 minus 4 and 10 minus minus 4. So it's very easy students, बहुत easy है, okay. 10 plus 4 हो जाएगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, 2 upon 14, so 2 7s are 1 upon 7. Slope of BC is 1 upon 7. AB is minus 3 upon 4. अगर रेसिप्रोकल रिलेशन है देन 3/4 का रेसिप्रोकल 4/3 होता है, 1/7 का 7 होता है. So these two are not related, okay, so they are not perpendicular. Let us find the slope of AC now. Slope of AC, A and C का coordinates consider करेंगे. So y coordinates subtract करेंगे पहले, 6 minus minus 2, 6 minus minus 2 upon 10 minus 4. So 6 plus 2 हो जाएगा, upon 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 plus 2 gives 8 upon 6. 2 4s are 2 3s are. Slope of AC is 4/3 and slope of AB is minus 3/4. So 3/4 का reciprocal, that will give 4/3, and this was negative, this became positive. So negative reciprocal हो गया, okay. So you can mark this as 1 and this as 2. From 1 and 2 you can say that slope of AB is equal to minus 1 upon slope of AC from 1 and 2. Okay, mark this as 2, and जो AB का slope मिला था that was minus 3/4. Just by looking at the numbers you can see numerator denominator reverse हो गया, okay, and जो sign था वो change हो गया, negative है तो positive हो गया, positive है तो negative हो गया, okay. So numerator denominator interchange हो जाएगा and sign will change, then the two slopes are related, okay. So slope of AB is minus 1 by slope of AC. Then I can say that AB is perpendicular to AC, okay. So now I can say AB is perpendicular to AC. There is one more way in which you can prove this. ये 1 and 2 mark कर देते हैं, okay. So ये मिल जाएगा. Other way is slope of AC ये मिला है, you can write down slope of AC is 4/3. Now slope of AC is minus 1 by minus 3/4, okay, that is minus 1 by slope of AB, okay. So you can prove it this way also. ये एक मेथड है, ऐसे कर सकते हैं, या फिर ये मेथड से कर सकते हैं. AC का स्लोप 4/3 मिला है, 4/3 का उल्टा कर दो, ओके. सो माइनस 1 by 4/3 का उल्टा क्या हो जाएगा, 3/4, ओके, एंड साइन नेगेटिव लगा दो. ऑल राइट, सो इफ यू रिवर्स दिस अगेन यू विल गेट दिस ओनली, यही वापस से मिलेगा, ओके. 4 goes in न्यूमरेटर, सो 4/3 हो जाएगा, एंड माइनस माइनस है तो प्लस हो जाएगा, ओके, सो नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल है. So therefore I can say AC is perpendicular to AB or AB is perpendicular to AC. So therefore AB is perpendicular to AC. Okay. So ये मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं या फिर 1 and 2 मार्क कर दो and then you can say slope of AB is negative reciprocal of slope of AC from 1 and 2. Okay. So therefore ये पार्ट important है. AB is perpendicular to AC. Okay. Now since AB is perpendicular to AC, कैसे perpendicular होगा? It will be like this. They have not asked for the diagram, but I'm just showing it to you. A दोनों में common है, so A will be the point which is the vertex which is having a right angle. Okay, so ये right angle वाला हो जाएगा. Okay, and then B and C और B and C interchange कर दो, does not matter, but A will be the right angle. Okay, angle A will be the right angle. So therefore it is a right angle triangle. I got that AB is perpendicular to AC, therefore it means that there is a right angle in the triangle, therefore it is a right angle triangle. So therefore triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. No short form students, you have to write down full words. ठीक है, so ABC is a right angle triangle and after this you will write down the final statement. A coordinates, B coordinates, C coordinates लिखो are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Okay, so you just have to copy the statement from the question. Now we'll move on to the next question. Let's read the next question. Question number 9. Without using the distance formula, show that the points A4, 5, B1, 2, C4, 3 and D7, 6 are the vertices of a parallelogram. We cannot use distance formula, so you cannot calculate the length of the sides over here. So what we will do, बहुत easy है, parallelogram prove करना है. Parallelogram, the word itself says parallel. Okay, opposite sides should be parallel. If they are parallel, then it is a parallelogram. So A B C D parallelogram है, ये prove करना है. So we need to prove that the opposite sides are parallel. Okay, ये prove करना है. And how will you prove that the opposite sides are parallel? Parallel lines का slope same होता है ना? So दो साइड्स का स्लोप सेम मिलेगा एंड द रेस्ट टू साइड्स का स्लोप सेम मिलेगा. ओके, सो इफ यू आर गेटिंग स्लोप ऑफ दिस साइड हैज 1, यहाँ पे भी 1 मिलेगा एंड इफ दिस इज लेट्स से 3.5 समथिंग, देन ये भी 3.5 मिलेगा. ओके, सो वी जस्ट नीड टू फाइंड द स्लोप्स ऑफ ऑल द 4 साइड्स. सिर्फ स्लोप फाइंड करना है. एंड व्हाट आर द 4 साइड्स? A, B, B, C, C, D and AD. Okay, you just have to calculate the slopes and जो दो sides का slope same है वो parallel है. Okay, so A, B, C, D, it is a parallelogram. That is what we have to prove. So we are given the coordinates also. So let's find out the slopes. So once you know the coordinates, it's easy to find the slope. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. Okay. So let us solve now. Now AB, BC, CD and AD का slopes find out करना है. Okay, so first we'll consider AB. AB का slope find out करते हैं. Slope of AB. A and B का coordinates. First we'll consider y coordinate. So 2 minus 5 upon 1 minus 4. So that gives minus 3 upon minus 3, so 1 है ना. Slope of AB is 1. Let us find out the slope of BC. Slope of BC. I'll write down the slope of AB over here at this side. AB का slope है 1. Okay. BC, B and C का coordinates consider करेंगे. 3 minus 2 upon 4 minus 1. You can go the other way around also. 2 minus 3 upon 1 minus 4. Okay, it will still be correct. 3 minus 2 1 हो जाएगा, 4 minus 1 3, so 1 upon 3 मिल रहा है. Okay, so this is 1 and BC is 1 upon 3. CD and AD find out करते हैं. Number this as 1, this as 2. Okay, we need to find out which two slopes are equal. Okay, so that is why we are numbering this. Slope of CD. Slope of CD, for that we'll consider C and D का coordinates. 6 minus 3 upon 7 minus 4. So 3 upon 3, that gives 1. So slope of CD 1 मिल रहा है. Okay. Now we need to find slope of AD. A and D का coordinates 6 minus 5 अपॉन 7 माइनस 4 है ना. 7 माइनस 4 हो जाएगा. सो 1 अपॉन 3, वी आर गेटिंग दिस एज 1 अपॉन 3. ए बी एंड सी डी का स्लोप सेम है एंड बी सी एंड ए डी का स्लोप सेम है. सो ए बी इज पैरेलल टू सी डी एंड बी सी इज पैरेलल टू ए डी. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाई डिडंट वी कंसिडर ए सी एंड बी डी? AC and BD क्यों कंसिडर नहीं किया? दे विल बी डायगोनल्स, राइट? इफ यू आर नेमिंग अ पैरेललोग्राम तो कैसे होगा? A B C D. ओके, वेर एवर यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम, पूरा सर्कल कंप्लीट करो. A B C D ऐसे नहीं होता है. इट इज A B C D और A B C D. जहां से भी स्टार्ट करो, यहां से भी अगर मैं A स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ, A B C D और A B C D, पूरा सर्कल कंप्लीट करो. डोंट ब्रेक द सर्कल. ओके, सो व्हेन यू आर नेमिंग, ए बी एक साइड है, बी सी एक साइड है, सी डी एक साइड है, ए डी एक साइड है, वही हम लोग ने कंसिडर किया है. ए सी डायगोनल हो जाएगा. इट इज नॉट अ साइड ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम. इवन बी डी डायगोनल हो जाएगा. सो ए सी एंड बी डी नहीं कंसिडर करेंगे. ओके, सो डोंट मेक दैट मिस्टेक. यू कैन ड्रॉ अ रफ डायग्राम फॉर योर रेफरेंस, तो याद रहेगा. ओके, सो ए बी, बी सी, सी डी, ए डी. ओके, ए डी और डी ए. Anyway you can consider, but not AC and BD. Okay, so don't make that mistake. We are getting slope of AB equal to slope of CD. AB and CD का slope same है, so I can say these two are parallel. And BC is equal to AD. BC and AD. So we are getting opposite sides parallel. Therefore, we can say that it is a parallelogram. Don't forget to number the values of slope that you are getting. So CD के लिए भी नंबर कर दो number 3 and for AD जो slope का value मिला number it as 4. Okay, so now from 1 and 3 we can say AB and CD का slope is equal. So we'll write down from 1 and 3 slope of AB is equal to slope of CD. Okay, and from, therefore we can say AB is parallel to CD, and from 2 and 4 slope of BC is equal to slope of AD. Therefore BC is parallel to AD. है ना, ऑपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल मिल रहा है. Therefore A B C D are vertices of a parallelogram. Therefore quadrilateral A B C D is a parallelogram. No short forms, full word लिखना है. Therefore final statement लिख लो. A का coordinates B, C and D are the vertices of a parallelogram. So don't just write A B C D are vertices of a parallelogram. Coordinates भी साथ में लिखना है. Okay.